2024 Cupra Born VZ revealed with more performance and poise. More power, heaps more torque and an overhauled chassis headline Spanish brand's new flagship performance EV. Any doubts about the Cupra Born being a bona fide hot hatch can now be dispelled, because the Volkswagen Group's Spanish brand has just debuted a significantly more powerful version of the all-electric hatchback packing 240 kilowatts of power and 545 Nm of torque. That's up from 170 kilowatts per 310 Nm in the existing Cupra Born, significantly more than the current Volkswagen Golf GTI, 180 kilowatts per 370 Nm, and also eclipses the VW Golf R, 235 kilowatts per 400 Nm, although it falls short of the 320 kilowatts per 600 Nm MG4 XPOWER. Known officially as the 2024 Cupra Born VZ, the new flagship EV retains its familiar single-motor, rear-drive configuration, but scores a reworked chassis setup to help it manage the extra firepower, which shaves a full second off its claimed 0 to 100 km/h time. Cupra Born VZ02. Stopping the clock in a claimed 5.7 seconds, the Born VZ's power increase has been paired with a raised 200 km/h speed limiter, meaning it'll also outrun the standard version as well as outlaunch it. Handling should also prove livelier than in the current Born thanks to new rear springs and dampers, retuned front units and beefier sway bars at both ends, forming what Cupra is calling the DCC Sport Suspension Pack. Cupra says the new setup simultaneously improves ride quality and pairs with a reworked electronic power steering system flaunting new hardware and software to make it sportier, plus an uprated braking system. Cupra Born VZ03. Cars for sale. 2023 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $62,990. Drive away. 2022 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $66,490. Drive away. 2023 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $59,990. Drive away. 2023 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $59,990. Drive away. 2023 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $59,490. Drive away. 2023 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $64,990. Drive away. 2022 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $69,990. Drive away. 2023 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $62,990. Drive away. 2023 Cupra Born Auto MY23. $64,990. Drive away.